modern roots singer hits all the right notes on new album. Samory finds strength.
Samory crafts soulful reggae album with features from Leela Ike, Kabaka Pyramid, Jesse Royal and Capleton. That's his son on the cover of Strength. He says he's poured his heart into it. The singer long singled out for the emotional quality of his delivery, which shines on the new songs, packaged and polished by producer Winter James, who's worked with Protege and that other New Roots hopeful Mortimer, who also contributes a memorable feature on Strength. The album pitched to younger listeners without alienating the core crowd. What's different this time from last time?
Well, we go more, instead of sticking to the vintage roots, you get me, I say like we come forward more to the modern roots, like you say, you know what I'm saying? So we have vintage roots for the vintage, and we have modern roots for the ones who are mess with modern roots, you know what I'm saying? Saying we're not across the park with folly, you get me? Like, the message is the message, you know, it will come on any type of beat you put me on.
Outside with the Leela Ike, the first single, and typical of the spontaneity of the Strength sessions.
Victory over my side, I left bad mind by the wayside.
Me in the studio, like, I go for record, and I remember for the AC never that work in a tough gang, so then we have to fix that or some outside for my life, you know. I say, yo, outside, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, where we are come with fresh and new. I say, Leela jump up on my life, and I say, yo, Moa, come link me a tough gang, Moa, I jump on the second verse. And she said, come off of your live and DM me. I'm a DM her, and in less than 15, she did at the studio, I do 4 verse.
Winter James seems to be the go-to person for a lot of younger roots rock musicians.
Winter the sound right now, man. The sound from modern roots, you get me? Outside them and outside, on the ground with the big bad sound. Headphones to the plane ride. Fresh herb when the plane touch down. Type sound, you get me? Spreading the message through that type of sound.
Outside, away outside. On the ground with the big bad sound. Headphones to the plane ride. Fresh herb when the plane touch down.
Strength, a positive response to a bad scene. What are you seeing?
Be a folly. People are dead left, right and center. No, the only time I see so much women are dead from gun violence, you get me? It's scary. I raise my kid in a world like this.
Watch the government badness. Blue suit, them will kill the same way.
Today my birthday, you know what I'm saying? Life is amazing, so outside, you know what I'm saying? Me and the team, that's a whole vibe, but other than that, the key is the message for fall upon the ears of the youths them right now, because my youth are come forward and, you know, it's scary.
Do they still have the capacity to be shocked, to be bothered by what they're seeing around them, or everybody has just gotten really hard?
You know, most people know the value of life. Just like how we get accustomed to what's going on now, we wasn't accustomed to this earlier in life. So we can get accustomed to the change that is coming, which is positivity.
By the way, how old are you today?
I'm 34. And I'm vintage.
Victory over my side, I left bad mind by the wayside.
Why was it important for you to have Mortimer on the project?
Oh, me and Mortimer collaboration come about is Winter James had a beat for another artist, my bro, Leno Banton. And, you know, Leno wasn't at the studio, but me and Mortimer was there. So me and Mortimer captured the beat before Leno came, you know, shout out to Leno, you know.
So kind of another coincidence.
Kind of another coincidence.
Which worked out.
Worked out pretty well.
Yeah, 17 with a clock. Anything for the stock.
Samory's current outlook and direction, a far cry from his early days as just another aimless youngster from Kingston's concrete jungle.
Wicked man Michael, we get the girl them and the money, and him want to be like when me are youth.
You made a choice.
I'll be honest with the public in Jamaica, you see me? Like, so I just come forward in the faith of Rastafari and do the music, man, a crocodile for real. It took me getting into trouble and seeing other places in the world for me going on my submarine and slow down. It was just that I can lose it in a minute. And when I did slow down, I get to travel the world and I see different things and that show me say, yo, you know, say, you're depressed. Because I never know nothing, the crocodile for know about depression and I come out of the swamp water. So, you know what I'm saying, it's me traveling the world and seeing them things that brought me to my change. It wasn't a man telling me, say, yo, you need to do the right thing. Because even when I tell someone to do the right thing, me still never do the right thing.
What would you say to Jamaicans with things being the way they are right now? And with your background, what you went through in life, what would you say to people?
I can tell them this, a lot of Jamaicans don't believe in a mental health, you know what I'm saying? Like, them don't believe that peace of mind is everything, you get me? And I'm a prime example of that. You see me? Whole heap of we don't know we're depressed, you get me? And true, with depression is what causes us to do a lot of things, you get me? The moment we slow down and take a breath for a minute, at the moment we are going to see the truth about ourselves and about others. And it's about understanding others is what makes the world about right now, because man don't take time to understand each other.
Cool, thanks. 2023 almost at an end, but Samory I finding strength, saving one of the year's best for last.
So much trauma, the youths them need healing. Learn how to deal with them feelings. Show them there's another way to be. So much more to life than we can see. Hey.